Clear, it looks like water. Prepare to be amazed. Food grade hydrogen peroxide, and this one is at 3% for, I like to say, for cuts and countertops, right? But it is not the same as this. This you can use with your toothpaste. You can use it for plants, for pets, for people. I mean, I wouldn't drink this stuff. What I use it for the absolute most, I put it in my nebulizer. I do this, 2 drops of Lugol's, the rest saline solution. And that's what I use when I'm having like a lot of breathing issues. And I would never, under any circumstances, put this in a nebulizer, okay? So just please make sure that it's food grade. I'm gonna show the product to you here in a second. This is the 16-ounce bottle, and this is by Essential Oxygen. I like this company because it's woman-owned. Their bottles are recyclable and BPA free, which matters to me. One of my favorite things to do besides putting it in the nebulizer is I use it to clean my humidifier. I'll put a picture of it right here. Anything that's pushing something into the air that I'm breathing, I wanna make sure it's clean at all times. So that's what I use this for. And then one of my favorite things to do is I will put like a few drops of this on my toothbrush a couple of times a week. It just, I can't explain the level of clean, but Listerine has nothing on this stuff. I mean, absolutely nothing on this. Let me show you what it looks like. Clear, it looks like water. Prepare to be amazed. Guys, it literally just looks like water. Barely say that it had a scent because it almost doesn't. And if anything, it's almost like, I really couldn't even describe it, but it's so faint that it doesn't even matter. Now, you're not supposed to be drinking it, so don't worry about the taste. But when I mix it with my toothpaste, I don't taste it at all. I did want to mention, because I didn't see this the last time I ordered this, but this was attached this time, and I thought this was so great. It's called the Gripper, and it says helps prevent liquid leaks. I don't know, I just thought that was super, super cool because, you know, it just says that they care enough about making sure that you get your product intact. And it did have that little seal when I opened it right here, but I cut it off. I'd say that the primary difference is this is not meant to come in contact with your food for that. It doesn't have the purity that I would be looking for something that I would nebulize or atomize into the air. This is just a lot cleaner. Oh, and then another thing, this works so well. If you guys get a stain, we have a bottle in the laundry room, which literally just has hydrogen peroxide. This, you spray that on, I don't care, any stain lifter you have, this works better. It is amazing for that. Oh, and it is made in the USA for people that care about that. I know I do. That's pretty much it. All right, stay healthy out there. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.